So in this video, we'll be talking about 6 side hustles that will help to generate between 100,000 naira to $1,000. If you're really interested, stick to this video and you'll find out ways for you to make between 100,000 naira to $1,000 applying these 6 side hustles. So the first one on the list there is affiliate marketing. Now, how does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing means you trying to help an already existing business by either referring more clients or more customers to them for a little commission or percentage. So if I own a business, you can refer more customers to me using a referral link where you get a certain commission whenever those clients make a purchase from my company or make a purchase of my products. So the second side hustle again to enable you make tons of money is graphics and thumbnail design. So this applies to mostly YouTubers. A lot of YouTubers out there are looking for graphic designers and thumbnail designers to help them design more catchy thumbnails to enable them have more engagement and click-through rates on their YouTube platforms. So if you're able to provide such services for them, you can be charging from as low as $60 to $100 per client, depending on who you're working with. Some YouTubers even pay as high as $100 to $200 per thumbnail. So it all depends on who you're working with, because this is a very lucrative side hustle business and this will not disrupt you from doing your normal 9-to-5 jobs. So another one on the list there is social media management. This applies mostly to bigger companies. So some of all these bigger companies are looking for social media managers to help them manage their page, arrange their page, reply to messages, and other tons of work that involves social media. So when you're able to provide such kind of services, you can be charging, especially as a company, you can be charging some companies as low as $500 to $1,000. And this actually gives you time to even work for other companies, because you can work for 2, 3 or 4 companies at the same time. So when you're getting paid from here, you're getting paid from here, at the end of the month, you will find out you're making tons of money already for yourself. So social media management is another side hustle skill to consider if you're really interested to grow from making 100,000 naira to $1,000 in a month. Another important and lucrative skill you need to know is content creation, the booming digital skill on the internet right now. And you need to realize that we are in the creators economy, we are in the attention economy. So most people that are winning in this economy are mostly content creation. There is something there is something that others don't know. There is something you have to give out to the world in exchange for their money. What is that value you can bring to the table? What is that thing you can talk about? What is that thing you're very okay and comfortable with talking about? Is it your personality? Is it about your lifestyle? Or is it about anything at all? You can either educate us. What is that actually thing that makes you unique as a human being? When you begin to project everything you have via most of all the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube, on the long run, you'll begin to make tons of money. So content creation is another lucrative business to consider if you're really interested in making between 100,000 naira a month to $1,000. Another important skill out there again is video creating. This also applies to mostly content creators and also YouTubers out there. Now, a lot of us create videos consistently, but most times we are overwhelmed with editing because editing takes a lot of time. So when you are a video editor, you can render all these services to mostly YouTubers or content creators in exchange for money. So this is another lucrative kind of side hustle you can be doing to be earning tons of money. Another important side hustle you need to consider if you're interested in making money is digital products. Now, digital products involves selling any digital product on the internet. It could be your ebook, it could be a course you make. So it is more like whatever it is you can decide to package it in form of an ebook, or you can decide to package it in form of a course and sell it to your audience or your followers out there. And there are a lot of people that need your services. So the question now is, what do you know that others don't know? What do you know that you can package and sell to people on the internet? That is what selling digital products is all about. So if there is anything look for a way either to package it in a video format or in an audio format or even in a paper format, which is the ebook, and sell it out there at a certain price. That way you will make lots of money. So I hope with these few skills I just listed there, you are able to take action. If you don't have anyone in mind yet, you can decide to pick from any of these skills I just mentioned, learn any of them. Then after learning, you begin to implement. On the long run, you will find out you're making tons of money. And finally, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to do so. Like this video, drop your comment, let me know the kind of videos you want me to be making, and most importantly, share this video. Someone else might be needing this video.